Now we see this dead laser hair removal machine with multi-wavelengths with 808 nanometer, 755 nanometer, 1064 nanometer. Now we turn on the machine. First, we see the welcome screen. We touch it. We can see the wavelength selection 75 nanometer, 808 nanometer, 1064 nanometer. We press firstly 755 nanometer. First, we choose 808 nanometer with this golden spot. And here are the working mode: hair removal, fast hair removal, and skin rejuvenation. Hair removal. In this screen, we can choose the skin type, gender, and the different treatment parts. And then we choose OK to the parameters. In this screen, we can see the skin type, body area, and gender we just choose in last page. And the bottom, we can see the water temperature, flow sensor, conductivity, and the total shoes. And in the middle screen, we can see the fluence, frequency. We can adjust it. We can increase or decrease, and frequency increase or decrease. When OK, we press OK. And we need to adjust the skin cooling. Skin cooling is for this spot cooling. Now ready for treatment. For treatment, press this knob with laser output, and then finish, standby, and back to last page for fast hair removal, and with different power levels you can choose. And skin cooling ready. Now for treatment. Standby, and back to mode skin rejuvenation. Skin rejuvenation after hair removal. Three levels to choose, and adjust the skin cooling, and ready for treatment. And then finish for this wavelength. Now we change to another wavelength. Switch off the machine. Put it out and now we connect with another wavelength. This wavelength is 1064 nanometers with a blue spot. Now we turn on the machine again. First welcome, and then choose this wavelength. And different working mode, same as just one. OK, and skin cooling ready. And you cannot see the laser power out directly. We put the laser power to the black. You can see. Yeah. And standby. This wavelength is special for black people. And another working mode. and skin cooling. Ready, and we see again. Stand by. And this skin resolution is the same. Then OK, switch off the machine, change to another wavelength. Put it out. And connect another wavelength handle. This handle wavelength is 755 nanometer with this red spot. Turn on the machine and same welcome. And we choose wavelength this one. And working mode, hair remove. OK. And choose adjust the fluence and the frequency. OK, and skin cooling. Ready for treatment. You can see this laser is a little red. Yeah. Then stand by. Back to fast hair remove. We choose this one. Ready. We see the laser. Stand by again, and the skin resolution, 3 levels we choose, and the skin cooling, stand by. OK, finish, turn off the machine.